AC Milan host Barcelona at the San Siro in the UEFA Champions League on Tuesday night. It'll be the 7th time in 3 years that the two sides have met. The Italians and the Catalans met in the group stage and the quarter-finals in the 2011-2012 season, and again in the last 16 the following year. It was in the last matchup that Milan recorded their best result, a 2-0 victory on home soil, but the Italians were swiftly brought back to earth as they were crushed 4-0 in the return leg. Barcelona won 2 of the previous 4 matches with 2 draws. Milan's task has been made all the more difficult by a possible injury to striker Mario Balotelli. The Italian is a major doubt for the game against Barcelona, but Milan will be hoping he can at least take a place on the substitutes bench, likely alongside Kaká. The Brazilian impressed after coming on for the final 13 minutes to make his first appearance with Milan at the San Siro since rejoining from Real Madrid. Milan's only options up front are Alessandro Matri and Robinho, as forwards Stefan El-Shaarawy and Gianpaolo Pazzini are also injured, while Mbaye Niang was not included in the list of Champions League players. A win over Udinese in Serie A at the weekend lifted Milan to 8th in the league, 13 points behind leaders Roma. It was only their 3rd league win of the season.